Hey there, marketers! Are you constantly feeling the pressure to deliver high-quality marketing assets but find yourself bogged down by time constraints and budget limitations? Are you tired of burning your budget on expensive agencies or freelancers who promise the world but often fall short? The stress of managing multiple projects and deadlines can be overwhelming. Say goodbye to outdated tools and hello to the future of marketing with AI-powered solutions. Imagine having a tool that not only simplifies your tasks but also enhances the quality of your output. Imagine a world where you can create all your marketing assets without the hassle. No more late nights or stressful mornings, just seamless, efficient, and effective marketing. That's where MarketingBlocks comes in. This revolutionary platform is designed to transform the way you approach marketing. This all-in-one AI platform has everything you need to elevate your marketing and sales game. From content creation to design, it's all here. And the best part? It's super easy to use. Let's dive in and explore the endless possibilities that MarketingBlocks offers. Need a stunning landing page or website? MarketingBlocks has you covered. Crafting long-form content? Done in a snap. The intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to create professional-grade assets. How about promo videos that captivate your audience? Easy peasy. But wait, there's more. You can also create engaging video content that resonates with your target audience. You can design banners, logos, and business cards effortlessly. The AI tools ensure that your designs are not only visually appealing, but also aligned with your brand identity. Create AI spokes videos for sales, social media, and training. These videos can help you communicate your message more effectively and engage your audience on a deeper level. Automate your social media content, calendar, and direct messages. Spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on strategic planning. More leads, more sales, and less marketing hassle. With MarketingBlocks, you can achieve your business goals faster and more efficiently. Want human voices for your videos and chatbots? Check. The AI can generate natural-sounding voices that enhance the user experience. Need an AI transcriber or voice changer? Check and check. These tools can save you hours of work and improve the accuracy of your content. How about turning text into art? The AI can transform your written content into stunning visual pieces that capture attention. Yup, you can do that too. The possibilities are endless when you have the right tools at your disposal. And get this, you can create your own custom chatbot trained with your business data. This ensures that your chatbot can provide accurate and relevant information to your customers. Plus, chat with 100+ AI employees. These virtual assistants can help you manage various tasks, making your workflow more efficient. It's like having a whole marketing team at your fingertips. Imagine the productivity boost and the creative freedom you'll experience. With MarketingBlocks, you get more time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. So why wait? The future of marketing is here, and it's more accessible than ever. Click the link below to get started for free today. Experience the power of AI and transform your marketing strategy. Elevate your marketing and sales to power up your business now. The results will speak for themselves. More leads, more sales, and more time back in your day. All thanks to MarketingBlocks. Imagine the possibilities when you're no longer bogged down by mundane tasks. Your all-in-one AI marketing solution. Everything you need is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the link below. Start your journey towards smarter marketing today.